Your flight is ready, but can you answer the airport staff in English? Do you know what to say during check-in, security, and boarding? In this lesson, you will learn 60 easy English sentences you can use at the airport. Look at the picture, listen carefully, and repeat after the speaker. Let's begin at the check-in counter.
Excuse me, where is check-in?
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 The counters are straight ahead.
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 I am flying to Dubai today.
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 May I see your passport?
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 Here is my passport.
Here is my passport.
Here is my passport.
Here is my passport.
Do you have your ticket?
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 Yes, it is on my phone.
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 Please place your suitcase here.
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 Is my bag too heavy?
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 It is within the limit.
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 Can I check in this bag?
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 Yes, we will tag it.
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 Can I keep this small bag?
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 Yes, that is hand luggage.
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 Can I choose a window seat?
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 A window seat is available.
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 What is my seat number?
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 Your seat is 14A.
Your seat is 14A.
Your seat is 14A.
Your seat is 14A.
When does boarding start?
When does boarding start?
When does boarding start?
When does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 10:30.
Boarding starts at 10:30.
Boarding starts at 10:30.
Boarding starts at 10:30.
Excellent! You have completed the check-in section. Now we are going through security and immigration. Try to repeat each sentence clearly.
Where is the security check?
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 It is past the check-in area.
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 Please put your phone here.
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 Should I remove my belt?
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 Yes, put it in the tray.
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 Please take out your laptop.
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 Can I carry this water bottle?
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 No, liquids are not allowed.
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 Can I keep my medicine?
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 Yes, keep it in your bag.
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 Please walk through the scanner.
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 Is everything all right?
Is everything all right?
Is everything all right?
Is everything all right?
Yes, you may continue.
Yes, you may continue.
Yes, you may continue.
Yes, you may continue.
Where is immigration?
Where is immigration?
Where is immigration?
Where is immigration?
It is just ahead.
It is just ahead.
It is just ahead.
It is just ahead.
What is the purpose of your visit?
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 I am going on holiday.
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 How long will you stay?
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 I will stay for 5 days.
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 Please look at the camera.
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 Great work! You have already learned 40 airport sentences. Only 20 sentences are left. The next section will help you find your gate and board the plane.
Where is gate 12?
Where is gate 12?
Where is gate 12?
Where is gate 12?
Go straight and turn left.
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 Is my flight on time?
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 It is delayed by 20 minutes.
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 Where can I sit?
Where can I sit?
Where can I sit?
Where can I sit?
There are seats near the gate.
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 Can I charge my phone here?
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 Yes, use that charging point.
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 Where can I buy some food?
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 The cafe is across the hall.
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 Your flight is now boarding.
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 Should I stand in this line?
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 Yes, this line is for your group.
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 Please show your boarding pass.
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 Here is my 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 boarding pass.
Please follow the boarding bridge.
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 Could you help with my bag?
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 Of course I can help.
Of course, I can help.
Of course I can help.
Of course, I can help.
Is this seat 14A?
Is this seat 14A?
Is this seat 14A?
Is this seat 14A?
Yes, have a pleasant flight.
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 Well done! You have learned 60 easy English sentences for the airport. Now, choose 5 sentences and practice them before your next journey. Which airport sentence was most useful for you? Write it in the comments. Keep listening, repeating, and speaking English every day. Like this video, share it with another English learner, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next video.